Welcome to Logos Premium. In this video, I'll show you how to prepare a small group Bible study using the Bible Study Builder. Logos has dozens of features that are designed to scale with your knowledge and needs, but with this tool and others that are available to you as a premium user, you can build a thoughtful and thorough small group Bible study. Before we begin building our study, let's open our top Bible to the passage and familiarize ourselves with the text. Once you've read through Mary's song once or twice, I want to introduce you to two tools that are perfect for this step of the process: the Factbook and the Study Assistant. The Factbook allows you to look up almost any person, place, or concept you come across in your study. Open this powerful tool from the main toolbar and enter Magnificat in the search bar. The entry includes a summary article, helpful visuals, key passages, biblical words, and more. Click through the Factbook's lenses to surface different resources. For example, the library lens will mine all your resources for any related articles, while the biblical lens will prioritize biblical passages that mention your search term and suggest questions to help you dig deeper. Let's click one of these questions to open another tool, the Study Assistant. The Study Assistant allows you to have a conversation with your library by summarizing answers from top articles. Let's ask the Study Assistant what other Old Testament passages Mary alludes to in her song. You can keep asking the Study Assistant questions as they arise, or click a reference or citation to explore the source material. Keep these tools open on the side so you can add content from them as you build your study. To get started, open the Tools menu and click Bible Study Builder. Let's begin by making an outline for our Bible study. Create a new heading block, then add a heading for each section of your study. I like to start with an intro, read the passage, and then study the passage in sections before we turn to application and prayer. You can always change the text type using the dropdown. Now let's fill in the intro section with an icebreaker question. With the Bible Study Builder, you have thought-provoking questions at your fingertips. Type your Bible reference in the Add Questions pane and select your passage from the options which populate. Logos pulls relevant discussion questions from your library. To add them to your outline, click in the block where you'd like the question and then click the arrow icon. Now that we have a good introductory question, let's add some context to set the scene of Mary's song. The tools that we opened earlier are a great place to pull this information from. Let's open up the Study Assistant again and ask, why does Mary sing the Magnificat? Here, we read that the Magnificat is Mary's response to the news of her miraculous pregnancy. Let's copy this synopsis and add it to our intro. Pasting content from the Study Assistant automatically pastes a citation, which is useful but maybe not needed here. Now, before we dive deep into the passage, let's add some questions to the other sections of the study. You can use AI to generate more study questions. I like to add questions first so that I can make notes underneath them with the answers I find in my library. You can always edit or delete these questions later. Now let's begin adding content to our blocks. Return to the Factbook entry on the Magnificat and choose the library lens. The first entry is from the Commentary, Critical, and Explanatory on the Whole Bible. Let's copy this portion about God's use of the humble into the section on verses 46 to 49. Scroll down to browse articles from other sources, commentaries, dictionaries, journals, and more. Reading through every single article would take time that you may not have, so Logos allows you to generate a summary and get an idea of the article's content. If the summary piques your interest, click the title to read the full article and add any information you'd like to include to the Bible Study Builder. Notice that when you add a Bible reference in the Bible Study Builder, you have the option to insert the reference in line or in a new block. Even if you opt not to insert the full passage, hovering over the reference shows a preview, and clicking it opens it in your top Bible. As you read, add your content to the Bible Study Builder. Put notes under questions, create new blocks, and add new questions. Drag and drop blocks to rearrange your Bible study. Then, when you've prepared the passage study portion of your Bible study, finish by adding a few application questions. When it's time to lead your Bible study, simply open the study in the Logos mobile app and go. With the AI-assisted study tools and the Bible Study Builder in Logos Premium, building a thoughtful small group Bible study has never been easier. Welcome to Logos Premium. We can't wait to see how God uses it to help you grow in the light of the Bible.